What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, I will tell you some basic things that you should know as a developer. So let's jump to our Visual Studio Code. First of all, if you want to clean this terminal, what you can do is simply type clear. Your old terminal will be cleared, and if you want to access this, simply type your what I have told you earlier. Simply type the file name and your file will be executed. And if you want to clear this shell, simply press Ctrl plus L. This will be cleared. And if you want to exit, if you want to exit this program command, simply type exit. You will be exited, and you can again start your program and so on. Ctrl plus L. It is cleared. So thank you. Meet you in the next tutorial.